How to change Amazon Flex pickup location. To change your Amazon Flex pickup location, contact Amazon support beginning by sending an email to amazonflex-support@amazon.in. In the email, clearly state your current location and the location you want to switch to. Once you have sent the email, it's time to clear your availability on the app. Open the Amazon Flex app, then click here. Click on Calendar. Here you will find out your availability. Click on the dates you are available. It will take you to Schedule to Deliver. Tap Schedule to Deliver. Now click Forget this time. Click Sweep to Forget. Clear your availability by following these steps. This signals to Amazon that you are ready for the switch, and they will start processing the change to your new delivery area. If you ever need to switch back to your old location, simply email Amazon Flex again with your request and clear your availability for that specific area. By following the steps, you can easily change your Amazon Flex pickup location. Thanks for watching.